Hi, it's Keith from Cloud Design Box. Welcome to the video. In this session, we're going to be working in the class notebook. We're going to be taking a look at how we can distribute a new section and also how we can distribute a new section group. Please don't forget to like, please do subscribe. So let's get over into the class notebook. So here I am in an English Year 7 class notebook, and I wish to distribute a new section across all of my students' class notebooks. So for example, if I open up Chloe here, we've got handouts, homework, quizzes and class notes, and I wish to put in an additional section there. And this could be for a topic that we're now going to be studying. I can distribute a new section in one of two ways. Now today I'm actually working in the browser version of the class notebook, and I can come to the top of the page here and I've got distribute new section. I've got a drop down. I can select distribute new section. This will open up a panel on the right, and all I need to do then is give that section a title. Once I've given it a title, all I need to do is click distribute, and there we have it. We do get a success message just saying it's been distributed. And if I now come over to my class notebook, let's open up Jacob's class notebook, and as you can see, we've got Of Mice and Men now added to our sections here. There is another way within the browser that we can distribute a new section across our class notebooks, and I can then come across the top here and I can select Manage, and from Manage I can actually edit sections, so I can change the names, and also I do get the option of being able to add a new section. Again, I need to give that section a name, and all I need to do then is click Save. That's then added it to my list, and if I just come back out, I can then go into my student notebooks. Let's have a quick look under Ella here, and as you can see, that's now added that section into my section list here. The next thing I'm going to look at is how we can create a section group heading within the class notebook. So I'll just click on Alpha here. So as you can see, we've got a host of sections, but then I've put a section group in here called English Comprehension, and then beneath some sections that are pertinent to that group. To get a section group in, just need to come to the top here, class notebook, apply new section, and then distribute new section group. This time I need to give that a title. One thing to note about this is please check your spelling is correct, because once the section group has been created, you can't edit it. And then beneath that, it will then ask me to create a new section. So I'm going to go for practice examples, and I can create as many sections as I need. Once I'm happy with the section group title and any additional sections that I've created, all I need to do then is click distribute. As you can see, it's been distributed. All I need to do then is close it down, and again, if we come over to Eamon here, we can open it up. Here's my existing sections, and here's my new section group. So I've got English language as well as English comprehension. I can open it up, and beneath that there's a section that I created called practice examples, and I can continue to add as many as I need. Once you've created a section group, when you come to distribute a new section, let me just select it here. As we saw earlier on, I could just add a new section. However, I can create that new section, practice words for example, and then I can go to location details. And if I didn't want it to be added just to the general list here, I can select the section group it needs to go into and then select distribute. We have a success message. And if I then go over into English comprehension here, here's our practice words that's now been added underneath that section group. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like. Please do subscribe. And also, if you hit the activity bell, you'll also be notified every time Cloud Design Box uploads a new video. Thanks for watching.